Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat blurry camera. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat blurry camera, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and we click. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop. Then we click storage. After that, we click storage here as you see. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.